One of the great pleasures I've had in life was meeting so many fine young men and women as a professor, beloved professor at the University of Wyoming. One of those was Reggie Slater, who came up from Texas to play basketball. Reggie became a big star for Wyoming, played professionally for several years for the Minnesota Timberwolves, the Toronto Raptors, and of course, the Denver Nuggets. Reggie says he can't cook anything. So I challenged Reggie, come to Mama Mabel's kitchen, and let's see what we can do. So welcome my friend Reggie Slater.
Finally, I'm in Mama Mabel's Baby Boys kitchen.
Mama Mabel Boys Baby Kitchen. Hey, Reg, how about an autograph, bro?
Oh, absolutely. Chef Bubba.
Thank you very much. There's this nice photograph. I want an autograph of Reggie blocking Michael Jackson out. So,
Actually, Michael Jordan.
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right, there you go. This is an autograph session.
Yeah, I'm sorry. That was an honest mistake. I got mixed up there a little, bro. Why would you tell me you can't cook anything? What's wrong?
I mean, I'm horrible.
Looked like you've had a lot of food.
Well, I didn't say I couldn't eat.
Yeah. Right.
I love that part.
Yeah, okay. I mean, can you boil an egg?
It's a 50-50 chance something's wrong.
What about frying a piece of ham?
Oh, gosh, no.
And I've been working on a recipe that I think you can do. You can cook it for your family. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm excited.
How about a Mexican quiche?
Mexican quiche, okay.
You like Mexican food? You live in Houston.
Clearly.
Huh?
Clearly.
Mexican food?
Yeah.
Let's get on with it, bro. Now, Reg, the first part of a quiche is we got to make a crust. We're just going to do a store-bought crust here.
Okay.
So I've got a nice Pillsbury crust here. Just go ahead and roll it.
All righty. I think I can do that.
Okay, now just lay that carefully right in the middle of that plate.
All righty.
And start pushing it down around the edges, and we want to just, there you go, and stretch it out and pull it over the top.
Looks like it's going to be one of those fancy pinky in there dishes or
Fancy
something.
pinky, baby. Pinky, baby. Now just fork the bottom of that. Stab it.
Can I say that? I'm going full OJ? Or
You're the one that said go full OJ on it. That's why you said it, huh?
Yeah, I said it. Yeah.
Okay. And we're going to put it in the oven now for about 14 minutes at 425 degrees. So, while we're waiting on the pie crust, let's get going with the quiche. Now, we've got 6 eggs here. Now, to crack an egg, just crack it on this little deal right here, slightly, and then just pull it open, and the yolk should fall right in and get rid of the shell.
Okay.
5 more.
Okay. Like crack.
Yeah, that's it. Break it apart.
Okay. I can do this.
Okay.
Job.
All right. Now, Reg, into that, 1 cup of heavy cream. 1 teaspoon of cumin. Mexican. Cumin's a great Mexican spice. 1 teaspoon of white pepper.
White pepper? You guys have been hiding this from us for years. Never heard of such a thing. This is never in the black part of the grocery store that I go to.
Okay. Just about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. There you go. All right. Now, take my little beaded whisker here and whisk that puppy up.
How long is this whisking process to take?
Until it's whisked.
White pepper? I'll be damned. That just took the damn cake.
That's good, Reg, right there.
Okay.
Okay. There it is. Okay. So let's take it out carefully. All right.
Yes, sir.
And now we're going to reduce the heat to 350 degrees. So now we got a nice crust here. And the first thing we're going to do on this crust, we're going to put some chorizo on the bottom. So put some of that chorizo on the bottom of this.
I am to assume that this is chorizo.
That is chorizo. Yes, you were
Chorizo, it's another thing I've never heard of.
Oh, come on. Max Reggie, you heard of chorizo.
I heard dinner's ready. I've heard that a lot.
Put out some chilies on top of that.
This is easily the most cooking I've ever done.
Yeah.
Am I supposed to
put them all on? Put them all on there.
Okay.
Let's put 2 or 3 spoonfuls of these black beans on there.
Do you shell these by the white pepper?
Do I shelve the black beans by the white pepper? For the record, you're the one that said that, not me. For the record. Okay? All right? Red, just take some of those jalapenos there and throw those on top of that. That's good right there.
Yeah, okay.
That's enough.
All right.
Okay. Now, put the Mexican cheese on it.
How much?
Whatever you feel good about. Half of that. There you go. Now, pour the quiche mixer on that.
Okay. All right. This is crazy that I'm doing this.
There you go. Good job. Now, the rest of that Mexican cheese. All over, baby. You can't get too much cheese on there. Oh, yeah, now we're talking.
Wow.
Okay.
That's a lot of cheese.
You now, Reg, have made a Mexican quiche. So, Reg, let's now put this in to the oven. And we're going to leave that in there at 350 degrees for 41 minutes. There's the time, 41 minutes, okay.
Flying by.
Flying by.
Wow.
Look at that. Would you look at that, brother, what we have conceived.
There's a little tear coming from my eye on that. It's beautiful.
We have to be strong for each other.
Yeah.
So, okay, so there we have a Mexican quiche.
Nice.
Let's cut this puppy up here, see what we got.
Oh,
How's that look?
looks
Okay.
delicious.
You know what, Reg? It's a gorgeous day outside. What do you think, buddy?
I'll take you just a second. Now, this is really good.
Yeah, don't act so surprised. Huh?
Not only are you talented in the instructional world of the classroom, but also in the kitchen.
Well, thank you very much.
I'm amazed.
Take that as a great compliment.
I'm amazed. This
Well,
is really delicious.
guys, that's it for today. You know what we say
You
about
gonna eat
Bob? Yeah, I'm gonna eat. Hell yes, I'm gonna eat this.
Oh, okay.
You know, do you want it? Reggie, you know what we say in my kitchen?
What is that?
We say a clean kitchen. It's a happy kitchen.
There you go.
In my kitchen, it's a happy kitchen. Be sure to tune in to MamaMableBoy.com for some written recipes and tips on all of these things. Bon appetit, adios, and yum, yum.
See you guys.
God,